Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delightful and healthy treat, carrot and coconut truffles. These little bites of joy combine the natural sweetness of carrots with the tropical flavor of coconut. Perfect for dessert or a quick snack. Let's dive right in. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of grated carrots, 1 cup of shredded coconut, plus extra for coating, 1/2 cup of condensed milk or a dairy-free alternative, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of butter or coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. Alright, let's get started. Begin by peeling and grating your fresh carrots. Use a fine grater to ensure a smooth texture because this will form the base of your truffle mixture. Now heat up a non-stick pan over medium heat and add your butter or coconut oil. Once it's melted, toss in the grated carrots. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. You want the carrots to soften and release their natural juices. Next, pour in the condensed milk and stir thoroughly with the cooked carrots. Keep stirring to avoid burning and to make sure the mixture thickens evenly. Now's the time to add that ground cinnamon, cardamom if you're using it, and a pinch of salt. Cook this mixture for another 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes thick and sticky and starts pulling away from the sides of the pan. Time to add the shredded coconut. Remove the pan from the heat and mix it in. This not only adds texture but also enhances the delightful coconut flavor. Let the mixture cool completely before you handle it. Once cooled, scoop small portions with a spoon or a melon baller and roll each one into a smooth ball between your palms. This is the fun part. Spread some shredded coconut on a plate and roll each truffle in it, ensuring an even coating. They'll look snowy and absolutely delicious. Finally, place the truffles in an airtight container and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps them firm up and enhances their flavor. Here are a few tips. You can customize your truffles by adding nuts, raisins, or dried fruits to the mixture. And if you want to keep it vegan, just use dairy-free condensed milk and coconut oil instead of butter. So there you have it. Enjoy these carrot and coconut truffles as a guilt-free indulgence, or share them with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious and healthy snack ideas. See you next time!